Dalian West Shore Technology Company, which has already focused on wood and kids furniture, kids play gym and kids Montessori materials manufacturing for more than 18 years, own more than 1,000 designs available. Products all get clients' favorable feedback. We are located in the beautiful seaside city of Dalian in northern China. We are an international company focusing on the field of children's educational products and integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. We have a research and development center, 2 independent factories, and 4 import and export divisions, as well as a complete procurement supply chain and product inventory system, providing one-stop educational product procurement solutions for kindergartens and educational institutions worldwide. We insist on focusing on children's needs and strive to deliver scientific educational concepts through quality products and promote the change in children's education. With the development of marketization and branding, we have been covering both international and domestic markets, and our customers are located in 5 continents. Gradually becoming a professional supplier and brand leader in the field of children's education products. We also offer door-to-door service, and free marketing photos will be shot by a professional photography team. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. In addition, we have obtained C and CPC certificates and guarantee all products meet N71-1-2-3 ASTME 963 standards. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your customized design request, you can feel free to talk with our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. I sincerely hope that we could have the honor to begin our cooperation soonest. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us by sending an inquiry